All right, team. So today, attack dogs. Oh, that's right. Today we are going to take a look at the first part of the lesson involving reasoning arguments and proofs. So we're going to try to distinguish between formal and informal types of proofs, which we'll talk about in just a moment. You want to understand the difference between inductive and deductive reasoning, and you want to draw some conclusions based on formal and informal reasoning. Okay, so in order to really get into the meat of the lesson here, I'm going to turn my camera off and you all can come with me on the journey. Let's play a game, everybody. How many fingers are pointing? Go ahead and put your answer in the chat. Yes, in many different languages, we have one finger, okay? Okay, how about now? How many fingers are pointing now? Five is incorrect. The correct response is two. Dos is also acceptable. No, Caleb. Two. Two. All right. How about now? How many fingers do you see now? Three, right? Okay. So, okay. How many fingers are going to be on the next slide? Okay. You never know. I see a lot of wild and crazy answers. But given what we've done so far, what do you think? How many do you think are going to be there? Okay. Right? The obvious answer is four. So, congratulations, everybody. You all just used inductive logic. Okay? You used inductive logic. You took a look at what you saw. You saw one finger, two fingers, and then three fingers, and you figured, using your observation of what had just happened, that obviously there'd be four fingers on the next slide. You used your common sense. This time, you were mistaken. However, inductive reasoning isn't usually a bad way to go about doing things, is it? I mean, it can certainly work. We have people using inductive logic all the time. In your own words, can you put a definition of inductive reasoning in the chat? And while you're doing that, I am going to send you the notes pages. Okay, common knowledge, common sense. Seeing some good things here so far. Okay, so what you're going to do with these definitions that you have written down here, okay, I'm going to send you the notes pages. The first question is, write down your own definition of inductive reasoning on your notes page, okay? Now, you can either copy and paste it in, or you can type it in yourself, but I would like to definitely make sure that you have a definition in your own words for inductive reasoning in the notes pages, because that is on the quiz, but also because it's going to be a big part of what we're doing, okay? Some volunteers here. We have Kaylee, London, Micaiah, Mariah, and Michael. Go ahead and see if you can give that a shot. If you want to play as well, feel free. But good definitions for the idea of observation. So, using inductive logic is based on something you see or something you felt, something that's happened to you. Okay?